Can you buy or sell a home near Disney without losing thousands of dollars to your bottom line? We all want that, right? But you need to do a few things. Be sure you hire a real estate advisor when looking to buy or sell your home. That's an awesome question, and with all this talk about working with companies to buy or sell a home without an experienced realtor, or these discount brokers who will sell your home for next to nothing because they lack the experience to be able to actually compete with agents and brokers who truly know how to outperform them in experience, negotiations, and sales. It drives me crazy. Now, I don't pronounce to be a doctor, but buying or selling a home is most likely one of the largest assets right next to your health and body. And you wouldn't operate on yourself, would you? Yeah, me neither. I don't like the sight of blood. I'd faint. And when hiring a doctor, wouldn't you want to hire a doctor that specializes in fixing whatever body part you're having trouble with? For example, if you broke your hip, you wouldn't go to a foot doctor. Of course you wouldn't. You'd go to an experienced doctor who specializes in hips. So do the same with your real estate and mortgage professionals. Hire one that has a lot of experience. It truly can make the difference between you losing out on a lot of money and potential interest when you're selling. If you hire an inexperienced real estate professional who has no clue about marketing strategy to capitalize on your investment, or a lender who isn't experienced enough to actually know what programs are available for you to capitalize on, well, that'd stink for you. So hire someone experienced. Lastly, what about negotiations? What if you were being sued? Wouldn't you want to hire the very best attorney to keep you out of jail or keep more money in your pocket in case you had to pay out? Well, of course you would. You want to hire a good attorney who can negotiate on your behalf, which can be the difference between you ending up in the slammer or possibly being bankrupt. Well, your home is no different. Remember, it's most likely your largest investment, so be careful not to hire an agent whose only card that they can pull out is to reduce their commission because they don't have the negotiation skills and experience. And here's a secret. Hey, if they can't negotiate for themselves, that means they can't negotiate on your behalf either. And it could end up costing you thousands and thousands of dollars. So take my advice. Being a specialist, having lots of experience, and knowing how to negotiate is the right choice when purchasing or selling your largest investment. I'm Robert Morillo. Be sure to reach out to us for any of your real estate needs. And as always, we're here to help you find your fun in the sun.